Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Stocks in the United States declined today, extending last week's sell-off linked to fears of a recession in that country. The Nasdaq and S&P 500 were down at least 3% each. All three major indices registered their biggest three-day percentage declines since June 2022. The Nasdaq and S&P 500 closed at their lowest levels since early May. The recession fears shook global markets and drove investors out of risky assets following weak economic data last week, including Friday's soft U.S. payrolls report. Investors worry that the economy is losing steam more rapidly than anticipated and that the Federal Reserve was mistaken when interest rates were kept steady at its last policy meeting. To the local markets now, the JSE index advanced by 457 points today, while the junior market declined by 47 points. Among the 33 winners, A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Jamaica Public Service Company 7%, Epley 7.25% preference shares, and Iron Rock Insurance Company. The 59 losers include First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, The Lab, Edufocal, Epley Carbon Property Fund SCC, and Indies Pharma Jamaica. 15 stocks traded firm. The local economy is set to benefit from the addition of a new food festival. Grace Kennedy Group will host the event later this month. Frank James is CEO of GK Foods Domestic.
It's a platform where we can celebrate the richness of Jamaican cuisine, showcase our culinary innovation. We'll be cooking right there on spot, and you'll be taught about all the creative menus and ideas that you can make.
The GK Food Festival is being supported by the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association along with the private sector organization of Jamaica. Executive Director of the PSOJ, Sasha Vassiani Riley, says the event will have significant economic impact.
We envision this festival growing well beyond the borders of Jamaica, showcasing our rich culinary heritage to the region and the world. The success of this initiative will not only enhance our national pride, but also open new avenues for cultural exchange and economic opportunities. We hope that in the years to come, the Grace Food Festival will become a global event, attracting food enthusiasts, cultural heritage ambassadors, and businesses from around the world, all eager to experience the vibrant spirit of Jamaica.
The festival will take place on August 24 at Hope Gardens. Now, at the end of trading today up to news time, the Bank of Jamaica did not publish the average selling rate of the main currency benchmarks on its website. As soon as that data becomes available, we will have it published on our social media platforms. And just for clarification, we're talking about, for example, the US dollar, the pound, as well as the euro and the Canadian dollar. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.